So guys, we are at the Fort Aguada now. Fort Aguada. It's pronounced as Fort Aguada. This is the basically सब कुछ लिखा हुआ है क्या क्या है यहाँ पर क्या क्या नहीं है. And this is a total plan of Fort Aguada. Now this side you can see a lot of Fort Aguada. ये पहला फ्लोर है बेसिकली. इसके ऊपर एक फ्लोर है. You see a lot of people are there. A lot of tourists have come in. November to February is peak season for Goa. And a lot of people are here. And today is Saturday as well. So weekend भी है. इसलिए बहुत लोग आए हुए हैं. सी एक अपर फ्लोर है बेसिकली. हम लोग वहाँ भी जाएंगे, अभी ऊपर जाएंगे. वहाँ से व्यू आता है बीच का. दिस फोर्ट अग्वाडा. दिस इज अ लाइट हाउस टावर. लाइट हाउस टावर स्टैंडिंग राइट हियर. तो ये फोर्ट अग्वाडा. अभी हम जाते हैं. हमें कहाँ जाना है बेसिकली. My son and my wife are clicking pics, busy clicking pics. My wife is wearing a hat. When in Goa, we behave like Goans. When in Rome, we behave like Romans. Pupu, hello. Pupu, hello. Hi. Okay, we'll go to the first floor, then the next floor, and then we'll connect again. So guys, this is the view from Fort Aguada. You can see a lot of boats. This is the view from Fort Aguada of the beach, the sea, and we all are standing here. The sun is also standing here. This is the Fort Aguada basically, and the nice view of the beach from here. Not exactly the beach, the sea itself, and some boats. We are standing at the Fort Aguada, and this is the beach. Sea basically. See that lighthouse. Lot of tourists. And Goa is a place to be here. Goa is really a place to be. I heard a lot about it. I was wondering what it is like. But Goa is really a place to be. मतलब यहाँ इतना cool है ना हिसाब किताब basically. You can wear anything. You can do anything. Nothing is a taboo. You can drink a lot of liquor. No problem. And girls can wear anything, boys can wear anything. There's no taboo. No people are looking at you like they have seen dead body or something. This is very cool. Goa is particularly very cool basically. Love it basically. This is the home Fort Aguada. This is the sea view as seen from Fort Aguada. Only 25 rupees per head fee is there for adults, and below 15 years there is no fee. For Indian nationals 25 rupees, and for foreign nationals it is 300 INR. So guys, this is the sea and beach view from Fort Aguada. I'm standing right here at the Fort Aguada, and you can see view. A lot of people here. See the lighthouse. Okay. Guys, we are at the Baga beach. We are at one of the shacks. We are having our lunch kind of. Already ordered two kind of cocktails. One Bloody Mary and one Planter's Punch. Planter's Punch for my wife and Bloody Mary for me. And a plate of French fries, finger chips French fries. And then I ordered chicken vindaloo with tandoori roti. Chicken vindaloo is specifically Goan. And for my wife, we have ordered kingfish curry with rice. These are all Goan delicacies, so we'll have them. And I'll see what else I can show you. We're sitting at just a shack, basically facing the beach. So I'll show you that shots also. See, my son is chilling out. My wife is chilling out too. See the awesome view of Baga Beach. The Baga Beach written is on that side. This is the place we are sitting. We can make a video. We are sitting at Marine Beach Shack. quite expensive. Things are quite expensive basically. 2.5 to 3K will churn out for this. This is a Baga beach. So guys, these are two drinks we have ordered, two cocktails. One is Bloody Mary and one is Planter's Punch. Planter's Punch is for my wife. It has gin or rum, I guess. And my Bloody Mary has vodka added with juices. And the other one has also with juices, gin or rum. So let's cheers, and we'll get some finger fries also, French fries. And then our chicken vindaloo with chapati I'll have, and my wife will have kingfish curry with rice. Okay, let's have it. So this is our food, chicken vindaloo, chapati, and this is Planter's Punch. My wife is not drinking it now, I am drinking it. Chicken vindaloo, chapati, Planter's Punch, French fries, Bloody Mary. I was drinking it earlier, now my wife is interested in drinking it, and she'll just get kingfish curry with rice or something. My son will also have that only. It just started raining heavily. बहुत अच्छे से बारिश हो रही है, तेज़ बारिश हो रही है एकदम बीच पे, बागा बीच पे. I'm enjoying sitting at here at the edge of this beach shack and having our food. Raining heavily at Baga Beach. Enjoying our food meanwhile. Enjoying our food meanwhile. It's our food. Okay. Now my wife's kingfish curry and rice is also here, and she's drinking the Bloody Mary. And it has started raining very heavily on Baga Beach, very heavily. I think in total Goa it is raining very heavily. बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ बारिश हो रही, सब लोग अंदर आ गए हैं. Started raining very heavily at the beach, and we are having our food. Okay. So guys, we are at the Vangenium beach near our resort. This is the final beach we are at, and our journey ends today for Goa for 3 nights and 2 days. In the evening today, Vangenium beach. This is near resort only, Rendu Resort Donapola, Vangenium beach, Goa. And we have done Kalangut beach, Baga beach, we have done Ogada Fort, we have done Museum of Goa, and we did some shopping. We did shack, we ate on the shack some cocktails and our Goan food on Baga beach today, and we did a lot of shopping yesterday, and that is what the journey of Goa ends today. So bye, see you. This is a part 3 and tomorrow we'll head to Hyderabad in the morning, and it is raining also now. We'll head to Hyderabad in the morning tomorrow by 8 roundabout, and we'll reach by 10 or 11 in the night to Hyderabad. It takes 14 to 15 hours because Chorla Ghats, it takes a lot of time. It is very hard part of the journey. And so bye, and this ends our Goa journey. And bye, take care. This was very good journey and very good road trip. I loved the Goa. I loved the Goa journey, and next time also maybe once a year we are planning to come to Goa. Maybe even twice a year, we'll see. But we loved Goa, and everything is too good here. And so bye, take care. Please like and watch and share the video and subscribe to the channel, please. Okay, bye. Some parting bonus shots of the Vangenium beach. It's raining heavily as well. Not heavily, it's drizzling on the beach, and we're enjoying it. And that is the Taj Hotel, basically, Taj Goa. That is a private beach of Taj Goa. We are at the Vangenium beach. It connects to that beach, and it is good. Basically, we are liking it. Okay, see you. Bye.